Take control of your sales process anytime, anywhere. Odoo Native App CRM simplifies how you manage your CRM system, empowering sales teams to stay connected, track leads, and boost productivity. Pipeline management. Organize and manage workflows with custom stages like new, qualified, and closed. Lead acquisition. Collect leads from web forms, social media, and more to build valuable connections. Lead assignment. Assign leads to team members and manage follow-ups effortlessly. Performance analysis. Visualize sales trends, track team performance, and optimize strategies. Why choose Odoo Native App CRM? With this app, you can seamlessly manage your sales pipeline, monitor lead progress, and analyze performance metrics on the go, ready to revolutionize your sales process. Download the Odoo Native App CRM now and experience the power of mobile-driven CRM management.